In this video, I will show you how you can mute permission sets in Salesforce and take control of users' access without breaking a sweat. Stay tuned because I will share an easy step-by-step guide that will simplify your org's permissions today. Let's understand what muting means. In Salesforce, permission set group allows you to group multiple permission sets together for easier user management. But what if one of those permission sets grants too many permissions to users? Instead of creating a new one, Salesforce lets you mute specific permissions within that group. So muting permission sets are like volume control for your permissions. You silence what you do not need while keeping everything else intact. Let's understand this with a simple use case. Let's say you have a sales team permission set group that includes permissions to create, edit, and delete accounts. Now for most sales reps, create and edit are fine. But you don't want Sarah to delete accounts. So instead of removing her permission set entirely or creating duplicates, you can just mute the delete permissions for accounts. Simple and clean. Let's start with a live demo. I have already created a permission set group called the sales permission set group. Let's click in permission sets in group and see what permission sets belong to this group. Currently, there are 3 permission sets. We have the action plans, the analytics view only user, and the sales user permission set. Let's click on it and see what kind of access it provides to our sales users. As you can see, the accounts object provides read, create, edit, and delete access to sales users. Our use case here is to mute delete access to any users who are assigned this permission set. So to do that, let's go back to the permission set group. In permission set group, you will see this option called muting permission sets in group. Simply click on this. Next, you will click on new. For the sake of the demo, let's use the label and API name that Salesforce has suggested. And I'm going to click on save. Now that this record is created, click on it. We want to mute the permissions for the account object. So I'm going to click on object settings and then go to accounts. I see what permissions are already assigned to the user. So for example, I know that the user was assigned the account record type. The user has the ability to read, create, edit, and delete. But you also see one more column here, which is the muted column. And we want to mute the delete permissions. So I can click on edit and I can mute this delete permission set and click on save. And that's how easy it is to mute permission sets in Salesforce. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because it literally takes 2 seconds. Check out my Instagram channel as well because I post daily bite-sized content on Salesforce and what's happening around the world in tech. I've got tons of content and I will be making videos regularly. So I will see you in my next video.